Welcome back, everyone. Today we're back in the garage. We got some fun stuff to go over and work on. So, as we finished the last episode with some very successful progress with removing the rear end or the rear subframe, today I want to go over disassembly of that and then assessing all the parts, and seeing what we need to replace and get on order, start making that list and creating a budget to get all that stuff on order. One thing I want to go over is I there's a scrap place or what do you call it? A refurbishing recycling center. That's it. A recycling center that was close to me, close to my work actually, that I took an attempt to get rid of some stuff. So, as you guys remember in the past episodes, in this corner I had a bunch of boxes, a pile of wire, a bunch of random stuff I've pulled off this car, and then whatnot. So, here's the total. So, kind of going through it. Wiring harness, 47 pounds of wire. And then at $2.28 a pound, I got $53. So money to budget towards that. And then remaining stuff, dirty aluminum radiators. So I had the factory radiator and the AC condenser. That was 19 pounds at 25 cents per pound. So I got a couple bucks there. And then AC compressor that was from this car, 14 pounds, another 31 cents per pound. So total, I got $63 after that. So they actually take a couple bucks out for fees per se. Like they call it like ATM fees. Yeah, right there. So all in all, $63 I got back. It's not bad. I mean, it's stuff that really people just throw away. You don't really need. But, you know, I actually have a box over here of, I got the old computer, but a couple of the other old computers, the ABS module, and then those springs from last week. All that stuff, they wouldn't take. Even if it's like heavy, dense aluminum materials, they don't want to do. I was talking to the guy. He doesn't have, the resources to disassemble and find those pieces where they see the cost benefit for all the other stuff. So, things to keep in mind. Wasn't too bad to get all that from them. So, money in the pocket, and I can go buy some hardware and pay for powder coating and all that fun stuff to rebuild the rear end and, put money towards other things. So let's get into it. The workbench is clean, and we got a lot to work on. So let's just get to it, and here we go. All right, that's going to wrap it up. I know this video is kind of going to be kind of so-so. It's just a long time lapse, whatever. Kind of show you what I got done. Upper arms, spring perch. Those are out. They look good. Just need to get bushings on the one end and probably just scuff and repaint them. All the hardware, I'm going to try and replace all of this. Probably not the keys. One nut. Axle. I don't have the axle nut. I don't have that size, so I need to get that. And I don't have the Torx bit for those, so that's something I need to get on order. Subframe itself, reviewing. There's a lot of surface rust. There's no big pitting or anything that looks outrageously bad. So all in all, probably just needs to get maybe sandblasted or something. And I think it should be good enough for what we're going to be doing. So I do have new bushings for it, so those will come once this is all been refurbished. If you were paying attention during the time lapse, I spun the diff while holding one axle, and this is an open diff, so at some point that's going to get all welded up. I'll just make it a welded diff and go from there. I don't know what ratio that is, so that might be something I'll need to figure out long-term wise. So all in all, kind of just a low-key, just kind of making progress where I can today. I'll probably cut the time lapse down as much as I could. Hopefully it wasn't too much of a bear to watch, if anything. So yeah, we'll go from there. Hopefully I can get something on order, maybe. We can make more progress. Otherwise, I'm going to get some of the cleaning stuff so we can start cleaning the interior while we wait on parts. Get some cleaning supplies out here and start wiping down and getting the chassis prepped for some painting. I think that's kind of a good step to get done and go from there. So all in all, a successful night. Go from there. So like, comment, subscribe, leave some feedback if there's things you guys don't like. If you made it this far, please like it. I want to make better videos, so feedback is always going to be better. So catch you in the next one. Thank you.